Hi everybody, I want to talk to you about a situation that arose in one of my cases, and you may or may not know anything about it, but a lot of people rent apartments, rent homes, whatever, but they're not the actual owners of the dwelling. And when you buy a home, you have a mortgage, unless you pay cash, but you typically have a mortgage like everybody else, and like I do, and you have homeowner's insurance. And the homeowner's insurance covers you in case something happens on your property, or maybe even something off your property. Like if you have a dog, and this is where I'm going with this, but if you have a dog and your dog happens to bite somebody, you're responsible for that, for the damages caused by your dog's bite. Now, if you rent a place, you don't have insurance coverage, which means they can go after you personally, which actually happened in a case, and we had another pocket to reach into because of where it happened. But in reality, the dog owner was in the vast majority of the fault or the negligence in having the dog bite. It wasn't where the dog was at, which was actually a restaurant, but the dog owner brought the dog into the restaurant, which ended up having the restaurant being partially responsible for the dog. In any event, my point is, if you're a dog lover, dog owner, every dog has the ability to bite somebody. Every dog has a bad day, like every human being does. And if that dog happens to bite a child or an adult and causes some kind of damages or injuries, you're responsible. And if you don't have insurance coverage, you may not be able to pay that bill when it comes due, or that judgment against you, and then you're going to be in trouble. But taking that even further, always get renter's insurance if you don't own a home with homeowner's insurance, because it'll cover any of your losses, especially nowadays with computer equipment. Everybody's got a laptop or an iPad or just a desktop computer, but it'll cover those things. It might cover a gun or two. It's just all sorts of things. But if you don't have homeowner's insurance, you don't have any coverage, and the odds are you're going to get burglarized. The burglary rates have, I think, gone up in the valley, and as a result, without insurance, you've got no coverage, and it's just a straight loss for you. So check into renter's insurance. It can literally come down to about 25 bucks a month, and it's really cheap, and it's great coverage, and if you are a dog owner, you need it just in case. Thank you.
This posted video is in no way specific legal advice on any subject. It is intended to provide general information for the public. If you need specific legal advice, call Chuck at 480-545-0700.